Using Split View with YouTube TV lets you watch live TV while using another app at the same time. Whether you're checking scores, browsing the web, or texting, Split View makes multitasking easy. Here's how to use it on different devices. On iPad, Split View mode, open YouTube TV, then swipe up to open the dock. Drag another app, like Safari or Messages, to the side of the screen until it snaps into place. You can adjust the divider to give YouTube TV more or less screen space. The video will continue playing while you multitask. On Android phones and tablets, split screen, open YouTube TV, then open the Recent Apps menu. Tap the YouTube TV icon at the top of the preview and choose Split Screen. Select the second app you want to use. Both apps will stay active side by side. On desktop, browser windows, open YouTube TV in a browser window. Drag the window to the left or right edge of your screen until it snaps to half the display. Open a second window on the other side. This works on Windows and Mac OS. Split View is not available on most smart TVs, Roku, or Fire Stick devices. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.